Here is a long list for non-communicable diseases. Non-communicable diseases can be categorized into various forms. The first one is dietary deficiency diseases, like some disease we may suffer because of the deficiency in our diet. If we don't take much of vitamins or appropriate amount of vitamins, appropriate amount of protein, then we may suffer from certain diseases, and because we are suffering because of our mal diet or improper diet, therefore these diseases will be known as dietary deficiency diseases, and these may include beriberi, scurvy, night blindness. Night blindness and beriberi is these all occur because of vitamin deficiency. Then second one is degenerative diseases. We all will deal with these diseases later on also, so I am just giving a list here. In detail we will deal later. Degenerative diseases means diseases which are related to aging. As and when one becomes old in age, they suffer from certain diseases because of their old age, and these diseases are known as degenerative diseases. This may include arthritis and cataract. Cataract is, the Hindi word is motiyabind. You might have heard it very often. Then genetic diseases. Genetic diseases are the ones which are transferred from parents to offsprings. So genetic diseases means from parents to children. The diseases which are transferred from parents to children, they are known as genetic diseases. It includes hemophilia, color blindness. Then cancer. You might have heard this word also. So there are various types in it depending on the organ it is affecting. There is mouth cancer, lung cancer, blood cancer, breast cancer, and so. So the next here is allergies. Allergies, like allergy means something which is very improper for us to get through it. Like we can't tolerate that, so that will be allergic to us. So we are not highly allergic, but some people are there which are allergic to many things. Even some people are there who have allergies to dust. They start sneezing in presence of dust. So these all are allergies, and under the allergies the diseases are asthma and hay fever. Then hormonal diseases, we have studied it, that endocrine system as well. Diabetes and goiter. Goiter is because of the deficiency of thyroxine, and diabetes is because of the deficiency of insulin. Then mental diseases. Mental diseases means related to brain. This is depression, anxiety, and schizophrenia. What will pronounce it as? Schizophrenia. So these all list we have dealt. Now I'll deal with these diseases in detail.